What do they have in Build-A-Bear Workshop here at Cedar Point? Well, today, in a very quick video, we're going to talk about all of it. So, let's go. All right. Now, I've never been into a Build-A-Bear Workshop before, so I don't know how this compares to anything else. But it does look like there are an awful lot of opportunities for you here. Man, these are not even all bears. Looks like you can get just about anything you might want, including quite a few brandable things. Animal Crossing, Snoopy, oh, that's sweet. Exclusive only at this store, that's cool. He doesn't look too different from the ones you get other places, but the price may not be much different either. 2 for $45. Or $20 each? Doesn't quite make sense to me. Maybe I'm just not understanding. If I don't understand some of this, please let me know down in the comments what I'm not understanding about Build-A-Bear, because obviously I don't. All right, and then it looks like you have some costumes here too. So you can put on all kinds of different accessories, including hairbrushes, shoes, onesies, all kinds of stuff. You can be a fireman, a policeman, a superhero, Pokemon. And it looks like you can actually make like a birth certificate for your bear also, or your stuffed animal also. And with your Snoopy, you can add a little Peanuts character. Oh, that's actually really cute. Get a little Woodstock for you. All right, so this is cool. So yeah, it looks like you start out with the bodies of your animal. You'll get that filled up, and then you can grab whatever accessories you would like to from there over here against this wall. They will help you here to fill up your Build-A-Bear. And then on the way out, you have several different varieties of bags that you can get to take your bear out with you. Definitely fun. Simple. So let me know what you guys think about Build-A-Bear Workshop. Is that someplace for you, or is it not? I'd love to hear from you guys down below, and also hear, what things I'm missing, what I don't understand about Build-A-Bear Workshop, because I'm sure there's a lot that I don't understand about it. This wasn't like a go-through of how we do it all or anything like that. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what they did. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go.